And the popular media strategist Prashant Kishore has now reached Sharad Pawar's residence. Speculation is now rife that Prashant Kishore had said he is done with election management and is likely looking forward to a new role after last assembly elections in Bengal. So this is big news. Why possibly is Prashant Kishore the well-known media strategist? He's been involved from Congress to BJP to state parties as well, and now is meeting Sharad Pawar of the NCP. Pankaj Upadhyay is also joining me on this, and he's at Sharad Pawar's residence. Pankaj, this is very interesting. Anyone who has been tracking the political graph of Prashant Kishore will of course be intrigued of why he's now landed up at Sharad Pawar's residence. What are you picking up? Tell us all the details.
Well, Pooja, now that the COVID numbers are down in the now that the COVID numbers are down in the state, the politics in the state of Maharashtra is suddenly heating up. Prashant Kishore is meeting the NCP leader Sharad Pawar here. Now everyone is speculating what this meeting could be all about, especially after whatever political developments have taken place yesterday. Shiv Sena praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday, and after that NCP leader has said that Shiv Sena will remain faithful to the state government. Today, the Bharatiya Janata Party commented that Shiv Sena was right when it praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, is there going to be a change in the government formation in Maharashtra? Is the meeting about the formation of a new front in the national level? Will Sharad Pawar be heading that front if at all it comes up? Who are going to be the constituents of that front? What sort of a role does Prashant Kishore has in his mind? Because he's one person who's been close to many parties. He's been close to Kejriwal as well, Mamata Banerjee as well. Now he's trying his luck in Maharashtra as well. What sort of strategies are being chalked out now? We do not know. For over half an hour now, Prashant Kishore is in a meeting with Sharad Pawar. We are expecting that he comes out now and we're going to ask him what is the next move. Interestingly, this meeting is taking place between two people. Sharad Pawar, who says something, does completely opposite. And Prashant Kishore, who makes predictions and he is on your face. So two different people completely. And so it's going to be interesting.
And what possibly new assignment do they have in store? So of course, Pankaj Upadhyay will be telling us all the latest. Pankaj, thank you so much and keep tracking, and we'll wait if there's a statement coming in from Prashant Kishore anytime soon.